Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm here to do a second part to Facebook monetization and what to expect and what's true and what's not true. So if you're ready to find out all the truth about monetization on Facebook, please stay tuned and watch the video throughout, okay? Okay, friends, I am super excited to share all the information that I know. And this is from first-hand experience that I'm going to share with you. I'm not going to lie about anything, I promise you guys. And I'm not going to hype anything. And I'm not going to withhold any truth to discourage you. So if you like that, please already hit the like button on this video and subscribe to the channel if you're new to it, okay? And let's go. Yes, friends, so as I promised that I would come and tell you from first-hand experience how the program works, the Facebook monetization. How easy is it? How difficult is it? And is it true that one can make money from the program? Now, from my personal experience, I would say that it is there is the possibility there to make money. And I'm gonna pull up some receipts, okay, to show you. This is my Facebook page. Now I'm gonna go to my profile, okay. I'm gonna click on dashboard. Oops. Okay, I'm using another phone so I can share with you guys. So I'm gonna click on dashboards. Now, before I go any further, what I'm gonna tell you is that I became monetized on January 29, 2026. Okay, so that was just a few days ago. And so far, drum roll, I'm gonna tell you the numbers. So okay, so far I was able to make a few pennies. Okay, I was able to make a little bit of money on there. So on the first day I made about 4 cents or so, more or less. And then the next day I was able to make about like maybe 10 more cents. And then so far I have 32 cents right now. You can see, and I'm going to show you all the truth. Okay, so I have 32 cents. Now with that being said, let me tell you, is there possibilities for money to be made? I would say yes. If I'm able to make a few pennies within such a short time with a minimal amount of followers. So imagine someone who has a large following and a good amount of interactions like shares, likes, comments, okay, interactions on the content. So that person would be able to generate a good amount of income. And we can do the math. Like yesterday I sat down, I did a little bit of math. I'm not too good at like processing numbers in my head, but I was able to like do a few numbers on my head, in my head. So just get a calculator. Imagine like the amount that you would want to make, and right there it will tell you how much you're making per 1,000 views or 1,000 watch, and then you could divide it by how much you desire to make, and right there you would find out how many views, how much engagement you would need to get in your content in order to generate that income. So yes, what I would say, it is possible, but you need to work for it. You need to work on growing the page, getting people to follow the page, getting people to interact with the contents. And now let me tell you how many followers I have, and I'll even show you, because to me it was hard for me to believe. I like when something is tangible. Okay, I like tangible, like concrete evidence. That's why I'm sharing with you guys what I have. So right here I have 6,200 followers, okay? right here, 6,267 followers. I don't know if I'm just posting too often or not, so I do lose followers. I do gain and lose, and I think Facebook is not promoting my contents to like people enough. The algorithm is not picking up. I'm trying to be consistent to like post, like, so that way the algorithm can pick up and find whom to promote my stuff to. So yeah, so I have 6,200 followers, more or less, and I don't get that many views on my contents per se. So far I've made 32 cents, okay? 32 cents. Now, let me go on my monetization. Yeah, I have just 37. Okay, you can see right here. Can you see it? I'm showing you my dashboard. I have 37 cents so far, and Facebook will pay people, creators who are in the US. Once you hit $5, you can initiate a withdrawal amount. But now I'm missing $4.73 before I can initiate that. So anyway, that's that. I hope that answers your question. So it is possible, if you're someone who's popular, if you can really drive traffic to your contents, yes, there is the possibility to make the money. I hope this helps. Guys, it took a lot. It takes a lot for me